Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove icon sets in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data highlighted with the icon sets. So here I'm going to remove these icon sets. Normally when you select the column, I select here the total column and press the delete key to delete this icon set. But here the amount also deleted and icon set also deleted. Okay. I use here the control Z to undo the action and I show you to remove these icon sets only. To select the column and go to the Home tab in Styles group, click on the conditional formatting and click on the clear rules, the second last option, and here select the first option, clear rule from selected cell. Just click on it and that's it. Here you can see the icon set is removed. Same for another both column, select the data. Then go to the Home tab in Styles, click on the conditional formatting and click on the clear rule. Then select the first option, clear rule from selected cell. And that's it. This is a way you can remove the icon sets in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.